Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. Flying by now. So let's have a look and see what I managed to do last night. So I finished the task needed for the Crochet Society blanket. As you see, we're repeating what's on the other side now. So yesterday was this lovely, I think it's called Go Grape, and that was on the other side of this pink. Yeah, it went smoothly. I didn't start it until the evening because I've been doing the red work on the candle mat. So, but I just couldn't watch telly while doing it. I had to concentrate because of making sure, counting that you've got the right number of stitches, so that going forward there was exactly the right number of stitches. So yeah, but it's looking good. Can't wait to get it done now. So let's have a look in the box and see what today's colour's going to be. Right, day 16. Where? Ah, here. It's opening nicely as well. Oh, it's a lovely baby pink. So that is Fondant Fancy. So that's nice, and that's going to obviously go next to that pink there. That's nice. And we have another stitch holder. I don't know if I needed two, but I suppose I could keep one in my sewing bag, keep one in my knitting bag and one in my crochet bag. So yes, that probably will come in handy. But yeah, so another star stitch marker holder. So right, so we can't, I'll put you back up here. We can't actually go on to the Coco website because they're not showing any more videos, because you're repeating the pattern. So it's exactly the same as I'd printed out before. So today we're going to do this bit here, this pale pink bit here, and that's the plan. So with this lovely new colour. So yeah, so hopefully I'll get back to you about 6 o'clock, and I'll have some progress to show you. Right, I'm back again. It's 7:30 again. It's getting later and later. And I've finished today's task, and here it is. So as you can see, we've repeated what we did down here. So, and this is what I've just done, this one. And really it was a sort of shaping it up to one long line. So there was a lot of sort of doing double crochet, half treble and a full treble to bring it up so that it was level. So it needed quite a lot of concentration and counting, but yeah, so I'm pleased with that. So it's gone well. And someone, Claire, who makes things, she commented about, oh, you know, you could go ahead, speed ahead now that you know what you're doing, you know, because we're doing the same pattern as we have been for the last 8-9 days. We're repeating it now, doing this on this side, but the thing is we're using different colours, and that comes out of the advent calendar every day, so that would mean I'd have to go into the advent calendar early, and I don't want to do that because I quite like having the surprise. And also I don't know if I'd have time to whiz ahead in it, Claire. I'm struggling as it is to get this done by 7:30. Life gets in the way, you know, food to cook, house to clean, Christmas shopping, you know, so yeah, so I don't think I'd have time to speed ahead anyway. Not if I want to do other things as well. And I really like tonight, I'm going to have another go at the red work, the candle mat. So because I really want to finish that in time for Christmas. So yeah, so And also I find if I go too crazy, I'll probably end up with having an aching shoulder or arm or something if I overdo it. So I think the sections that they give you is just about right. So yes, so I'll look forward to tomorrow and our next colour, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.